Welcome back to Untitled Tutorials, and in this video we are going to continue our image to text playlist that we had created in our previous videos, and I had also uploaded 2 splash screen with animation in 2020, so you can watch that out with this title. So in this video I am going to create the custom toolbar, and in our previous videos of 2 splash screen we had created 2 animated splash screen, and we had also created the playlist on the wallpaper app in Android Studio using Pixels API. So you can watch that out to make the wallpaper app, and we had converted website into an Android app, so you can also check out that series where we had work for freelancers. So if you do freelancing and want to develop an website to an Android app, then you can use this playlist. So without wasting time, let's get started with second part of our playlist, image to text app in Android Studio. So let's get started with custom toolbar. So first of all, we are going to click on the themes.xml, or you will find this folder by the name of styles.xml if you are using the older version, but in the latest version it is showing that themes.xml in day theme and night theme. So here you will find the action bar with parent theme with the dark action bar, but we have to remove that with no action bar, and also in the theme in night theme. So here we are using no action bar, and after that close that both file and create the toolbar in our dashboard activity or wherever we want. So now we are going to create the toolbar in our activity underscore dashboard .xml file. If you knew, then you will not know how this folder began, so you can check out our previous video. The link will be in the description, and the source code of this application will be published as soon as we complete this Android app in our GitHub and our website. So you will check that link in the description. So now we are going to create one toolbar and give its ID with toolbar, and width of that toolbar will be match parent, and height also action bar size. So here we had used action bar size, so we get exact toolbar as we are getting. So you can watch, you can see that it is 56 dp, so you can write 56 dp also. And then we are going to give its background color. If we are in new Android Studio, then you will find that color with purple underscore 500, or you can use hashtag 6200EE as a color, and then you have to use the theme like this to get the toolbar text color white. So we are going to use theme overlay dot app compact dot dark, and I had changed my parent layout to linear layout, so we are not going to add some constraints to our app. And if you are using the older version, then by default the color of background will be white in of our parent layout, but in the latest version we have to add the white background. So I am in latest, so I had added the background color of our parent layout. And now here we are going to click on dashboard activity to cast our toolbar and set as support action bar. So you can see that I had created the toolbar and give its private. So private toolbar, this is the variable, and then we are going to import this androidx.appcompact.widget.toolbar, not any other. It will generate an error and not set as support action bar. So remember to import this only, otherwise it may generate an error. So now we are casted our toolbar by finding the ID of our toolbar. So find view by ID is equal to toolbar. I had typed this code because before I had also created this code, but by some error or technical issue my voice was not recorded, so I had again creating this video. So please make sure you subscribe our channel under tutorials to watch the complete series. And then we are going to set support action bar to our toolbar. We will find this and then type get support action bar dot set display home as enabled to true. This will give us back button. If we are in the main activity, then it is useless, or we are going to create one toggle. So we will get the menu and back button. So now we are going to set our title. So get support action bar dot set title. So we are going to give the title of text scanner, and if you want to give some hint or some message to your users in the action bar, then you can use get support action bar dot set subtitle. So here I had used by Android tutorials. If you are enjoying our content, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial to your friends who really wants this content. So that will be helped by you to your friends, and I am commenting here because I don't want to show the subtitles. So now let me show you how our application will be look in our device when we run our application. So here I am in Visor. So here some error occur. So here waiting Visor. So here is our device, and you can see that when I click on my application, we will find splash screen like this, and then we will get our support action bar with title and back button, and we had given the default text as a dashboard activity, and in our next video we are going to design dashboard for our application. So like this tutorial, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching Android tutorials. Hit the subscribe button.